Hey Bitcoiners, Lockie here from Edge21, bringing you the top Bitcoin news stories of the week. Let's dive in. At number 6. Could Trump's tariffs be a hidden win for Bitcoin? In a recent Relay Learn Bitcoin video, the economic impact of Trump's proposed tariffs took center stage. His plan? Tax foreign companies at higher rates to boost American business, reduce debt, and strengthen the US dollar. But here's where it gets interesting. Whether Trump's move succeeds or flops, Bitcoin benefits. If liquidity rises, more capital flows into assets like Bitcoin. If economic uncertainty spikes, investors seek refuge in Bitcoin as a safe haven. As the video puts it, doesn't matter what the outcome is, it's good for Orange Coin. Looks like Bitcoin wins no matter what. At number 5. Is Bitcoin quietly becoming America's next big reserve asset? A Cointelegraph report highlights a growing trend. US states are introducing Bitcoin reserve bills, sparking speculation of a global accumulation race. Kentucky just became the 16th state pushing legislation to allocate up to 10% of excess reserves into Bitcoin. According to Isaac Joshua, CEO of GEM's Launchpad, the tipping point will be when one state formally adopts Bitcoin in reserves. After that, it's game on. With US Bitcoin ETFs already holding over $113.5 billion in BTC, the race to secure Bitcoin is heating up. Could this be the first step toward a federal Bitcoin reserve? At number 4. Could Bitcoin help fix our broken healthcare system? On the Bitcoin podcast, host Walker sat down with Dr. Ahmed Amus, who made a bold claim. Fiat money is the root cause of healthcare's corruption. He argues that Bitcoin can restore free market medicine by removing inflation-driven corporate takeovers, freeing doctors from bureaucratic control, and letting patients directly pay physicians without fear of censorship. As Dr. Amus puts it, if pharmaceutical medicine was truly effective, why would they need to suppress all other schools of thought? With more doctors challenging the system and Bitcoin enabling financial independence, could we see a shift toward patient-first decentralized healthcare? At number 3. The Czech Republic is making big moves in Bitcoin. According to Crypto.news journalist Micah Zimmerman, the Czech National Bank is considering allocating 5% of its 140 billion euro foreign reserves into Bitcoin. If approved, this would make the Czech Republic the world's third largest Bitcoin holder, surpassing the UK, Germany, and Ukraine. BitGet CEO Gracie Chen called it a game changer, pointing out that unlike other European nations, Czech policies aren't controlled by the European Central Bank, meaning they have the freedom to lead in Bitcoin adoption. Plus, the country already offers a capital gains tax exemption on BTC if held for over 3 years. As Czech officials push for long-term Bitcoin adoption, the question is, will other nations follow their lead? At number 2. The Lightning Network is about to change the global payments game. On the Investors podcast, host Preston Pish and macro analyst Luke Groman broke down the massive implications of Tether integrating US dollars onto Bitcoin's Lightning Network. This means near instant stablecoin payments at almost zero cost, a direct challenge to Visa and MasterCard's expensive fee-based system. We're not talking cents, we're talking fractions of a penny for transactions, Pish explained. The Lightning Network has already seen explosive growth with over 5,100 BTC locked in payment channels. And now, with USDT processing over $10 trillion annually, this could be the biggest disruption to traditional finance yet. Are we witnessing the beginning of the end for legacy payment networks? And at number 1. Is the Bitcoin bull market over? Bitcoin analyst Rational Root sat down with What Bitcoin Did host Danny Knowles to address market fears. Despite recent price dips, Rational Root remains bullish, predicting a peak in Q2 or Q3 of this year. His data-driven analysis points to institutional adoption as the key driver of Bitcoin's continued rally. We're only just starting to see institutions dip their toes in. Allocations are still tiny, he noted. With Bitcoin ETFs already doubling holdings since launch, he believes BTC's fair value sits around 75k, meaning we still have major upside potential. While market pullbacks are normal, Rational Root insists the bull market is far from over. His message to traders? Zoom out. Bitcoin cycles take time, and the best is yet to come. Well, that's a wrap on this week's top Bitcoin news stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Edge21 for your weekly Bitcoin fix. Bitcoin moves fast. Stay ahead of the game with us. Thanks for watching. Stay strong and hodl on.